Recall AI versus Obsidian. Choosing the right knowledge management tool can transform how you organize and retrieve information without getting lost in endless notes. Recall AI uses artificial intelligence to surface key insights, while Obsidian emphasizes manual control through linked markdown files. Recall AI and Obsidian both help you manage knowledge but differ fundamentally. Recall AI leverages AI to automatically highlight and recall important information, whereas Obsidian provides a highly customizable, markdown-based environment focused on user-driven linking and note structuring. Recall AI is an AI-powered knowledge management tool designed to enhance information retrieval by automatically surfacing relevant content from your notes and documents. It works by analyzing your data using machine learning models to identify key points and context, allowing you to quickly recall important information without manual searching. Its strengths lie in its intuitive AI assistance, reducing the time spent digging through notes, and its ability to integrate with various data sources seamlessly. However, it may have limitations in customization and requires trust in AI-driven suggestions, which might not always align perfectly with your workflow. Recall AI is ideal for users who want smart automation to boost productivity and prefer a system that proactively helps manage knowledge rather than relying solely on manual organization. Obsidian is a powerful markdown-based knowledge management tool that emphasizes user control through manual linking and note-taking. It works by storing notes as plain text files on your device, allowing you to create a network of interconnected notes with backlinks and graph views. This structure supports deep, customizable knowledge bases that grow organically with your input. Obsidian's strengths include offline access, extensive plugin support, and a vibrant community that continuously expands its capabilities. However, its manual nature means it requires more effort to maintain and organize notes effectively. Obsidian is best suited for users who prefer full control over their data, enjoy building complex knowledge webs, and value privacy and customization in their note-taking environment. Recall AI and Obsidian serve different approaches to knowledge management. Recall AI excels in automating recall by using AI to highlight and retrieve relevant information quickly, making it perfect for users seeking efficiency without heavy manual input. Obsidian, on the other hand, offers unmatched customization and control with its markdown-based linking system, ideal for users who want to build detailed, interconnected knowledge bases. The trade-off is between automation and control. Recall AI reduces manual effort but depends on AI accuracy, while Obsidian demands more user involvement but offers greater flexibility. For example, a researcher who prefers automated summaries might choose Recall AI, whereas a writer building a complex reference library may favor Obsidian's manual linking. Choose Recall AI if you want smart AI-driven assistance to quickly surface key knowledge without spending time manually organizing your notes. Opt for Obsidian if you value full control over your notes and prefer a customizable markdown-based system to build a flexible, interconnected knowledge base. Both tools excel in different areas, so pick the one that aligns best with your workflow and